Thank you for taking an interest in my workshop on high impact leadership. Did you know that 35% of a company's productivity, profits, and performance is determined from company culture? And 50 to 70% of company culture is determined by leadership. 70% of top talent at businesses and companies leave the company because of poor management or leadership. So the quickest, most effective, and efficient way to improve performance, productivity, and profits is to improve leadership, to improve the leaders and the leadership style. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this workshop. We're going to look at tools and tips to develop your leadership potential, and become a high impact leader.